Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will create bus line 182, which runs from Kirkkonummi to Siuntio. And as usual, which has become a new custom actually, I will start by creating the line, which is HSL 182. And as the bus line, it's a blue line. That's it. So we'll start this way and then we'll stop at Munkimäki. And then we will go directly to the deep end and create this junction, which is a country road, double track country road, and we will then create it like this. Then let's create ramps, cutting some corners again here. There we go, and cutting some corners here again. And there we go. Then let's move some signals. And then let's actually create the signals. Oops. This system will be needed because in the end there will be a couple of lines running through that gate or through this junction, and that's why we will need to create this way. So the stop, first created stop will be called Kirkkonummen portti. And then let me once again find the Swedish name for it, which is called Kyrkslättsporten, like I guessed. Let's see what will happen after the autosave. Nothing. So as you probably already guessed correctly, this will be the highway route between Kirkkonummi and Siuntio. So a couple of new stops, very short line to be honest. And after Kirkkonummen stop, Kirkkonummen part will then stop at Munkimäki, Munkulla. It's located over here. No, wait. Yes, that's correct. After Munkimäki, we will have a stop at Pedersinpolku. That's obviously called pedastin in Swedish. That's correct. Oops. And after Perashin polku, oh, well, yeah, great. We will then have a stop at Järvitie. And the Järvitie stop is located at Gedberg. So it's Järvitie, Träskvägen, and it's over here. Not over there, but over here. Oops. And the following stop after Järvitie will then be Siuntio. Stormasvägen. And it's over here. That's it. After Siuntio, the bus will stop at the Båtvikentie, Båtviksvägen, which is right in here. That's a short distance between these stops on the highway. That's fully fine. And after Båtvikentie, we will then have a stop at the Kabelitie. Kabelvägen, which comes in here. And oops. And there we go. After Kabelitie, we will then have a stop at Solvikentie, which is obviously Solviksvägen. That's correct. And it will be in here. Then we'll probably need a bridge above that. I don't know what it has been, but it has probably been a bridge. So let's just make the bridge. I mean, that part of the railroad network doesn't exist anymore in real life. In this life, it of course exists. And after Solviksvägen, we will then stop at Pikkala, which is, yes, which is exactly why I create this part of the crossing. Let's see how this video will turn out. I have a shortage of disk space, the computer says, which, well, is not surprising as I've recorded more than 100 videos and never really erased anything. So I will just have to do the erasing after this video if the computer is kind enough to hold on until that, and I do think it does. Well, I more or less hope that it does. So it stops at Pikkala, and then it will stop at Störsvik. Yes, so that's it. It's along the previously created line. So let's go back to lines and then go back here and then let's see if this thing functions properly, and it does. So after Piccola, the following stop will be at Störsvik. And then at Kalliotie, at Ruohonsuuntio. And then at Sunnaviks vägshäll, at Sunnavik. Degerbyntie, Norrviken tienhaara, Pilskuintie, Sudenkaari, and that's it. This is the main line from Kirkkonummi to Siuntio if you wish to go by bus. Of course, you should go by train, that's an even simpler line, but this time we will do it this way. Oops. Or let's say this is the express line between Kirkkonummi and Siuntio. I forgot one stop, so before Järvitie, let's see. For Järvitie we have Munginmäki, then we have this one, and that's it. Let's go back to Järvitie. Then we will stop there at the way back and Munginmäki, and then at the Kirkkonummen portti, and then I hope yes, that functions the way it should. So the road has been built, the line has been created, and the timetable, it's hourly. It's 1 hour, so it's passenger service, and then let's buy a bus to run it, and I think I will need 2. Come on. Please don't fail me now. There was a big stop in the game, just like that, but let's see. 182. Yes, we will need 2 buses to run the line, at least hourly. So, there we go. Line has been created, buses have been bought, everything is set up, all up and running, and it's time to say bye.